Hi, and welcome back to Particleworks Power-Ups. Today's request comes from a gearbox manufacturer. They told us we would like a method to visually distinguish otherwise similar looking simulations. When we do multi-view videos, it is always very easy to get mixed up between the simulations. Please create a macro to do this for us. My preferred method of distinguishing simulations is to write the simulation name into the time widget, which will then display it clearly next to the time of the simulation. We actually didn't even realise that this was possible to do until we saw a multi-view video of a series of simulations with their names after the time. Ever since, this has become part of our simulation process to make it easier to distinguish scenes from one another. I'm starting here with the usual initiation, i.e. setting up the bin folder, importing pwpy, and setting up the session and project. From there, I begin by importing the necessary modules. Today's script is rather simple, so the only module needed is system. To save me running the script once for every scene in a project, I'll make it loop through all of the scenes in a given project. For each loop, I then need to save the scene's name as a variable. After that, I need to find the time widget. There are a few ways to go about this, but I'm searching using the name of the widget, as the name of the time widget cannot be changed. I then add on the name of the scene to the end of the default format. You could add the scene name onto the end of the currently used format, but for this example, I'm hard coding it. I'm also modifying the font size to be 14 instead of 12 to make it a bit easier to read. Here we have an example project with many visually similar scenes within it. I run the script by going to File, Run Script, and selecting said script. The script runs in no time at all. Unfortunately, in version 8.1 of Particleworks, there is a bug where any changes to the time widget won't be mirrored in the GUI. This can be rectified by closing and reopening any affected scenes. However, any videos you export will use the modified version of the time widget, even without closing and reopening a scene, so this is not always necessary to do. If you're looking for a more efficient way to use Particleworks, or have a specific issue that you would like support with, then our contact details are on screen now. For more information about our full API online training course, please visit the contact page for details. See you next time.